Hello, this is Derek Haigwood. I'm a farmer in Northeast Arkansas. I'm a director for USSEC and a director for the United Soybean Board. I wanted to talk to you today about what we're looking forward to, the outlook, the acreage anticipation that we are looking to plant soybeans on. I wanted to tell you a little bit about me and about my family. I farm here in Jackson County with my wife, my two sons, Judah and Samuel, and my brother and my cousin. I also work very closely right here at the headquarters with my father and his two brothers. And together, there's six of us farming together, trying to farm about 12,000 acres. I love being here on the farm. Days like today, when we're not rolling tractors, when the spray rigs aren't rolling, we get to use this land for extracurricular activity. We love to find the places to go fishing. We love to go deer hunting and turkey hunting and duck hunting here on the farm. And that's something that I've grown up my whole life doing is being right here on this farm. I wanted to tell you that the outlook is still good. We have many things that are discouraging facing us farmers right now and facing the whole U.S. soy industry. I want the people listening today to know that the U.S. farmer will put in a crop. It will be put in sustainably. It will be put in using the latest, greatest technology that farmers have access to. We make sure that our equipment is in tip-top condition. That's what I've been focused on the past few weeks as it's gotten warmer. When we look at the weather patterns that we've seen in the past few years, this early warm spring followed by substantial amount of rainfall, we look at what can we make the most money on. And year in, year out, we always tend to go to planting soybeans. We have ground that we can plant a variety of crops on. It's such an advantage that we have here in Arkansas. Overwhelmingly, the majority of our crops is going to be soybeans. When we look at the positive outlook on this season and things that we can look forward to doing, the first thing that's exciting when you talk about an upside that we're dealing with is the price of fuel. Fuel prices have dropped dramatically lower than I can recall seeing, and now that I'm purchasing fuel, it's just something that we are going to try to take advantage of. We've booked out 8 months of fuel. What's happening now? What are we going to do? How are we going to protect ourselves, our employees, and still do what we need to do? We have a warehouse here that we're getting shipments in on a weekly basis of corn seed, rice seeds, even we've gotten many of our soybean seed delivered. And that way that we're not having to go into town, we're not having to go to the co-op or the seed dealership or the chemical dealership to purchase these chemicals and seed. We have them delivered here on farm. The older individuals on our farm, we have some 55 and up. My father's 65, perfectly healthy right now, capable to work, ready to work. We'll just make sure that we do as much social distancing as we can. Put them on that tractor. They'll be miles away from everyone. We'll have a system in place where we can stop, fill up tractors with seed, fill up spray rigs, and keep this planting process rolling. It's the best that we know how. We have this technology, this capability to still communicate. We want to communicate. We want you to know that we have not slowed down. We've only changed the way that we're doing business as far as using this technology that's available. I'm very thankful today that I have an iPhone here, that we can do this remotely. I can be in contact with customers all across America, with members in the U.S. soy family all across the world. What a great time to be alive. And we want all the people out there depending on us to know that we're not stopping. We are going to pull this off. I have no doubt. I have no lack of confidence in this. Year in, year out, we fight prices. We fight trade wars. We fight the weather. And as you can just look and see year in, year out, we produce the safest, most reliable food supply the world has ever known. And when you say that, I don't say it as a cliche. I don't say it as a catch line. It's something that I say it with pride. It's something that I'm proud to be a part of. And it's the capability of the technology we have here that I carry in my shirt pocket, or when I climb on one of these tractors that you see. It's full of technology, and it helps me to be a better farmer, a better grower leader for the industry that I love.